2,500-years-old Egyptian mummy found at Sydney University, Australia. Nicholson Museum. A relegated and empty coffin to a side room for decades inside an Egyptian mummy at the workshop and fields. Tips at the Nicholson Museum in Sydney. The outside of the sarcophagus was intriguing enough. The face of a woman at rest was carved into the dark wood. Hieroglyphs indicated its occupants was SYDNEYTHE, a high priestess from the temple of the goddess Sekhmet. The coffin from the 6th century before Christ had been purchased by Sir Charles Nicholson from an Egyptian antiquities market in 1857 or 1858. Records said it was among the hundreds of items Nicholson has bequeathed to the University of Sydney to launch the museum that will bear his name. Museum archaeologists opened the coffin in last summer expecting to find a few residual bandages and bones from a mummy removed by tomb robbers in the 9th century.